Hey, it's Sabi again. Have you ever seen the International Space Station next to planet Venus? I would like to invite you for a beautiful observation that might come up in the next days and weeks. This is my previous capture of the International Space Station flying past Venus. Let's see what happened back then. Good morning everyone. Well, I'm here near Rockshot. I'm about to record the space station going right near to Venus, and well, look at the sky. It just got cleared. When I left about 40 minutes ago, it was completely overcast, and at the moment it looks like it will happen. So I'm looking forward. I'm gonna show you if I can. No, I can't. I'm gonna turn it this way. I have the Venus. I should go just right there. There it is. I don't know how much you can see. The tiny dot is Venus. So the space station should be about 3-4 times the size. It's going to be 50 arcsec versus Venus is about 13, 12, something like that at the moment. So it should be bigger, and fingers crossed, it should happen. Results later. So this was my best capture ever. You could see the details of these passes, and in this video I will explain to you how to find information about these passes. So just head to CalSky, and first of all, with the setup option, set your own location. Once you've done that, you can see what exactly happening in your area. You always have to press the location button and the go button to accept your location. Once you've done that, you can check out exactly what kind of predictions are happening in your area. So click on Sun-Moon crosses occultations, and once you are there, you can actually see that there are lots of options you can do. You can set minimum elevation, you can set maximum elevation of the sun, you can also set the maximum angular separation from sun, moon, planets, stars. So if you have a desired distance from the target object, you can specify it, or you can set a distance from your own location. So this time I'm gonna set 100 kilometers of distance because I want to see exactly what's happening further away as well. I don't have a car at the moment, so I'm a little bit limited of traveling, so I try to find the closest. But this video is mostly for people who doesn't mind traveling 50 or 100 kilometers of a distance. So if I start scrolling down, I can see lots of different events. So the first one, that was only, I think, 27.9 arcsec diameter. So there will be later on a moon cross, a transit of the moon, and then basically I'm just keep on checking the parameters of these transits. So you can see 34 arcsec is the diameter of the International Space Station. Sadly, it's going to be almost 60 kilometers away from my distance, so that's not really something that I'm looking forward. So if I keep browsing and scrolling down, you're going to see there are better actually Venus passes. So this one is 40.5 arcsec, so higher the number, obviously bigger the International Space Station. So that's pretty far away, so that's not again something I would like to do. Okay, this one is promising, but the angular diameter is not too big. So let's see what else I have. So on the 29th, so this one isn't too bad. It's a little bit far away from my own location, but look at that. Also, the sun's altitude is +3, which is very good. The distance of the ISS is 587 kilometers. That's not too bad. So yeah, you're gonna see that there are some really good passes coming up from my location, and I only guess that from your location as well. But the best one going to be on the 30th, which means, I mean, as I said, the location, I'm on the centerline. So 51.5 arcsec diameter. Remember that the video you see at the beginning, basically that was 50.3 arcsec. So this is going to be slightly bigger, very promising, and the sun's altitude is only +10 degrees compared to the +23 degrees in the previous
my best ISS Venus nearby flyby. So that's a very, very promising. Once you click on the centerline highlighted text, it will drop you to another page. You can actually see where the centerline is and basically where you need to be if you would like to see the International Space Station crossing Venus. Well, it's a tiny object, so obviously a tiny error will result in not flying right in front of it. That's the direction from the left towards the right, so from west to east. That's the direction of the travel of the International Space Station. So good luck and let me know if you were succeeding. Clear skies. Bye bye.